Today is lecture number 18 and the topic is Indo-Pak relations. We all know that the relations between the two states have been defined by the violent partition of British India in 1947, which started the Kashmir conflict and the numerous military conflicts fought between the two nations. Consequently, the relationship has been plagued by hostility and suspicion. We all know that Pakistan and India they both have never been on good terms with each other right from the beginning, even before partition or after partition. Hindus never accept Muslims and Muslims never accept Hindus. Whether the both nations lived together before independence, even their cultures match to some extent, but still they don't accept each other. The major conflict over which both countries never agreed is Kashmir issue, that was done by the that was made by the bad decision of Redcliffe. So many other issues, one by one, some points like Kulbhushan Yadav, like other matters. For example, we can take the example of Kargil war, then comes Indo-Pak war, and some like both countries have gained the status of nuclear power, and in this era it is needed to decide their conflicts through dialogues rather than using some like nuclear power or nuclear weapons. So the Indian government blamed separatists and Lashkar-e-Taiba, a Pakistan-based militant group, for stoking the 2010 protests. The 2016 Kashmir unrest erupted after killing of Hizbul Mujahideen militant Burhan Wani by Indian security forces. Further unrest in the region erupted after the 2019 Pulwama attack. So in this way, step by step, India and Pakistan have many events through which it is clearly proved that both countries always suspect each other, whether it is done by Pakistan or India or not, but they blame each other whatever happen in their countries. So it proves that both countries don't have good relations with each other. If we talk about like the unethical distribution of resources between India and Pakistan before independence by the British government. So that was not honest distribution, and for example, especially in flood season, if we talk about some water issue, if in flood season India opens the main headquarters, the headquarters of major Indus River or other rivers are based in India, and in flood season they open the water route, and it can be proven some disastrous or can ruin the Pakistan's many areas. So many other issues in this era except the previous one. So the both countries don't have good relations with each other. It is historically proven that through many events that both countries don't have good relations with each other. It was a campaign was started, Aman Ki Asha, between these two countries by the Leo Channel of Pakistan, but it failed, and both countries did not agree upon such movement. So they don't agree to accept each other. So many other events that happened in India and Pakistan, between India and Pakistan, that prove that the both countries can never be friends each other.